The day after ordering an item online, you receive an email notification. How can you track your package? How can you track your package? The email says that you can track your package on this website by logging into your account, and after logging in, click on your order history and enter the order number found in this email.
Hesabınıza giriş yaparak sipariş durumunuzu sitemizden takip edebilirsiniz. Giriş yaptıktan sonra sipariş detayına tıklayın ve bu e-postada verilen sipariş takip numarasını girin.